In the animal kingdom, coloration is not just about beauty, it serves crucial survival functions. For instance, the vibrant colors of poison dart frogs warn predators that they are toxic, while the chameleon uses its color-changing ability for camouflage and communication. Interestingly, some animals, like the cuttlefish, can change their color instantly, making them masters of disguise. Even more fascinating, the blue whale's skin appears blue underwater due to light refraction, although it's actually gray. Color plays a vital role in mating rituals and territorial displays, ensuring the continuation of species. Have you ever wondered how colors affect the behavior of animals? Dive deeper into the wonders of nature in our next video.